Why is patience important? Patience is one of the most valuable virtues a person can develop. It allows individuals to stay calm and composed in difficult situations, make better decisions, and maintain healthy relationships. In today's fast-paced world, where people seek instant results, patience is often overlooked. However, it plays a crucial role in personal growth, success, and overall well-being. Patience leads to better decision-making. When people act impulsively, they often make mistakes that could have been avoided with patience. Taking time to think before making decisions helps individuals analyze situations carefully and choose the best course of action. For example, in financial matters, a patient person saves money wisely rather than spending it recklessly. In professional life, patience helps in handling workplace challenges calmly, leading to better career growth. Patience strengthens relationships. Good relationships are built on understanding and patience. In friendships, family life, or romantic relationships, disagreements are natural. However, patience allows people to listen to each other, resolve conflicts peacefully, and maintain harmony. A patient person does not react harshly but rather takes time to understand different perspectives, which strengthens bonds and avoids unnecessary arguments. Patience helps in achieving success. Success does not come overnight. Whether in academics, career, or personal goals, patience is essential. Hard work and perseverance over time lead to great achievements. For example, students need patience to study consistently and gain knowledge. Similarly, athletes train for years before they achieve excellence. Without patience, people give up easily and fail to reach their full potential. Patience reduces stress and improves mental health. Impatience often leads to frustration, anxiety, and stress. People who lack patience get irritated quickly and struggle to handle difficult situations. On the other hand, patient individuals remain calm, even in stressful circumstances. This helps them maintain mental peace and overall well-being. By practicing patience, people can develop a positive attitude and lead a happier life. Conclusion: patience is a key quality that contributes to personal and professional success, strong relationships, and mental well-being. It teaches individuals to remain calm, think wisely, and work towards their goals without giving up. In a world that demands quick results, patience is a powerful tool that leads to long-term happiness and success. Cultivating patience makes life more fulfilling and peaceful.